Okay, so I screwed up the video, but restarted. So I just lit it. I've already held it for 30 seconds, but I'll hold it for 30 seconds more just to give it a full minute. I'll show this again because I didn't get it the first time. So you see the thermocouple's in the flame. Not quite in the center blue, but well enough. Kind of see there it's hitting it. Okay, so I'm past 30 seconds, so you're going to see me start lifting it. Yeah, I can't even get up all the way and it goes out. Now I'm going to put something under the back of it. Lean it about 20 degrees forward. Okay, so there's what its leaning looks like. I got that little bit of a lean, maybe 10 degrees. I'm going to light it. Now when I let off, well, that kind of did stay lit. Try it. Might have to lean it a little more. Try some more. Gotta figure out what to put under it. Probably a little too much. I put the protector under it now. It gives it a good 20 degrees here. Let's see. Ta-da! Stays lit. You can see. This won't work very good since it's at this kind of angle. And see now even the, I don't know, maybe it's more in the flame? Hard to tell. Anyway, go for a light. Go for on full blast. Oh, it kicked off before I get to full blast. I can't get to stay on again. By the way, it's a brand new tank. This is the 4th tank I put on it since it started acting up. See how it bleeds off? I just let up. Trying to let off as slow as I can. More forward. Okay, less forward. It's about 10 degrees. You can even hear it when it kicks out, but that's just the flame going out.